Okay, so we're back. I just went ahead and just cut out a couple pieces of that shim. Then I'm just gonna break them and then put them behind the bracket here. So I'm just gonna unscrew this a little bit, just enough to where I can put those shims in there. So if you do it too loose, obviously your shim is gonna fall once you get in there. So you want to give yourself a little bit of room. So, come on, little shim, get in there. It's giving me some trouble. Okay. Oops. So, this one doesn't want to stay, and that one doesn't want to go. Okay. There we go. So, got that one in there. And that one in there, so I'm just gonna tighten it down. Because we just want to bring it out just a little bit, right? Just to be even with the sheetrock there. So I'm gonna do the same down here. Just gonna back this out a little bit. Just enough to put those shims in there. Back it out a little bit more. Okay. So put one shim in there. All right. And put the other shim in over here. Okie dokie. Tighten it down. Hold that in place while we do it. Let it tighten up against the shims there. So we didn't have to come out a whole lot here. And see how we're looking. So let's see here, get this lined up here. Get it lined up. One. Another one. Right. Okay. So now we're just tightening it down a little bit. And there you go. That's looking a lot better. It's almost exactly flush. I guess I could even tighten this down a little bit more probably. So yeah, it is like flush there. Okay, so yeah, that's about perfect right there. I like having my screw holes facing up. There we go. Okay, so that was it. You went from being a little bit recessed to where it looked off to just about perfect there with just a couple of shims real quick, and screwed it in. And then these face plates, these are the Leviton, the unbreakable nylon ones, which I really recommend. They're super yeah, you won't, when you've probably done this before, you've probably been screwing something and had the whole faceplate crack. Well, these won't do that. So you can tighten them down a little bit if you want to, without having to worry about them just cracking. The outlet ones are especially prone because they have just like the one screw in the middle. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that helped. Good luck out there. Bringing your, switches into line, if they're recessed. So have a great day. Hope that helped. Goodbye.